Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to manage users in Smartsheet, whether you're adding new team members, adjusting their permissions, or organizing your contacts like a pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your Smartsheet workspace running smoothly, with the right people connected and your data secure. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about leveraging the Assign to column in your sheets. You'll want to start by clicking on the Assign to column header and then choosing Edit Column Properties. This step is important because it determines what kind of information gets tracked in that column. Next, under Column Type, you'll select Contact List. Think of this as setting up a dedicated space where only contact details will go, which really helps with managing who's responsible for tasks and projects. By switching to Contact List, you open up the option to add anyone you want, be it an internal team member, an external partner, or even a consultant. Just click right there and start entering their email address or pulling from your suggested contacts. This small change ensures that any assignments are clear and directly trackable to a real person, which is so important when you're coordinating a big project. Now, sometimes you'll want to manage your contacts on a broader level. Take a look down at the lower left corner of your Smartsheet window, and you'll see the account icon. Usually it's a little circle or your initials. Click on that and select My Smartsheet Contacts. This is basically your command center for everyone you might need to collaborate with. Here you can add new contacts one by one, import a whole list from another tool, or even export your Smartsheet contacts if you need a backup. This is also the place where you can tidy up your contacts list, maybe removing people who no longer need access or correcting email addresses if someone's changed departments. When you're ready for deeper user management, head back into your account settings and click on User Management. This will open up a new page with quite a few options, but don't get overwhelmed, each one has its place. Here you can add users individually, import a big list all at once, and even perform bulk actions for basic permissions. This is especially handy for admins managing larger teams. At a glance, you'll see your full user list, each user's type, like whether they're an admin, a licensed user, or just a viewer, as well as details like which sheets they have access to, published items, and even their login history. Having all this at your fingertips is like having the control panel for your entire organization's collaboration. When it comes time to actually add someone, just click Add User. You'll fill out basic info, their name, last name, and email address. Take an extra moment here to assign their role carefully. For example, if someone only needs to review documents, don't give them admin permissions by mistake. Once you're done, click Invite, and that new member will get an invitation to join your Smartsheet account. If you ever need to update someone's access later on, just look for the 3 dots next to their name. This menu lets you edit their details, view which groups they belong to, move them between groups, or even remove them if they no longer need access. Remember, managing users well helps protect your data and makes collaboration much smoother. Don't worry if some of these settings look intimidating at first. Take your time, double-check your choices, and you'll have everything under control in no time. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or tips of your own about user management in Smartsheet, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.